What's up, beautiful people? Today I'm going to show you how I make my hairspray and my facial spray. But what I'm going to show you first is how to make your own rose water. I am going to be experimenting. This is my first time, but I use rose water all the time. So this right here is what I started out with. I get this from the international grocery store and it works really well. And I make a hair and a face spray with it, which I keep in this bottle. But I was tired of spending like $4 for this little tiny thing, and so today, passing the roses, I was like, you know what, I should make my own. So that's what I'm going to do today. I have some water boiling, and this is what I use. This is, your local pure distilled water. This is what I got. I'm using about a half gallon right now. I didn't measure it, but I'm using about a half gallon of water. I picked up a dozen roses, and right now I'm going to cut the heads off and get them ready because the water is almost hot. So I use Fruit of the Earth, aloe vera, juice. My oils are by now solutions. So I have almond oil, jojoba oil, tea tree, and lavender. So what I'm going to do is make a big batch today with a half a gallon of rosewater oil or rose water that I make and add the oils to it plus the aloe vera gel. The only difference is going to be between the hairspray and the face spray is in my facial spray, I do not put vitamin C and I don't put the lemongrass oil. For my hairspray, I will be adding vitamin C in the little tablet form. It's a vitamin. I crush it up, add it to it, and I add lemongrass oil to this. I do not use that for my face. And if you can tell, my face does have some scarring and things like that, but it's 90% better than what it used to be. I suffered with acne my entire life, but when I changed up my skincare routine, you can really tell there's a big difference. Okay, so I just checked on my rose water and it's doing really good. Two things that I noticed. When I use this, one major thing that's different is this is clear. The rose water that I'm making, it's already a burgundy reddish color. That's one difference. This smells very sweet, just like roses. However, this one that I'm making doesn't. Now, I don't know if that's because I chose to put some of the stem in there with it midway through. I removed it, but I don't know if that's where some of the fragrance is coming from. It doesn't smell bad or anything like that, but it just does not smell like this. So far, I'm really pleased with how it looks. The leaves, the petals are almost completely translucent, so it's about time to take it off. I'm going to let it cool before I add anything to it because I don't want it to lose any of the nutritive properties that are in the different oils. So I definitely don't want to add it while it's hot. So I'm going to take these two little tablets right here. These are vitamin C. For 2 of these, 2 are going to be for my face, 2 are going to be for my hair. And in the 2 that are for my face, I'm going to crush up these vitamin C tablets and add them to it. Okay, so I'm finished. What I wanted to let you know is if you want to preserve your rose water in any type of way, you can always add a little bit of witch hazel or vodka, depending on you, but it will last a couple of weeks in your refrigerator. It's up to you, just pay attention to it. I would say 10 to 14 days is best practice. I didn't get to show you that I added was lemongrass because I'm out. So I'm going to go pick up some lemongrass, and when I get back home, I will be adding this to the hair mix that I made. This is going to go in. So that's it. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for rocking with me.